Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center. And today we're looking at the Suru frame lock, a brilliant EDC design from Italy's Voxnaes and Voxnaes, which you can find over at KnifeCenter.com. Bringing together Voxnaes' eye for design and Fox's stylish engineering is a winning combination, and the Suru is no exception. This knife is begging to be carried every day and features some key elements that'll make sure it'll end up in your pocket. First is the thin profile and compact frame. It comes in just a hair over 3.5 inches closed, making it easy to take with you. Even though this knife takes up virtually no space in the pocket, a full-size finger choil when opened enables a full 4-finger grip, allowing for maximum control and comfort when putting this knife to work. The clip point blade sports a high flat grind that gives you a lot of versatility when utilizing the tip, and it comes with a sweeping belly that is excellent for slicing. Even though the knife is small, it still flips open easily enough, and the frame lock keeps it nice and safe when you're getting things done. There are a couple versions of this knife to choose from. The first features N690 stainless blade steel with a rugged black stonewash finish, providing a long-lasting edge. The handles are easy on the eyes as well, constructed from anodized aluminum that is weathered to complement the look of the blade. We're big fans of the contrast that the orange-handled version provides, but you can also get it in black or green. Throw in a wire deep carry pocket clip and this Suru is ready for any everyday adventure. Kicking things up a notch is the newly released carbon fiber variant of the Suru. Instead of just slapping on a pair of inlays on the handle and calling it a day, Fox has decided to flex their engineering muscles and give us a frame constructed entirely of carbon fiber, a first in the world of production knives. The lock bar itself feels just as strong as anything else out there, with a steel insert providing the interface with the tang itself. The weight savings are significant. This knife clocks in right at 2 ounces, and you also get better traction thanks to the texture of the carbon fiber. The blade on this version has been upgraded to satin-finished M390 for truly world-class performance. The hardware has also been upgraded for this version, featuring a milled titanium pocket clip with an inset zirconium ball providing retention. All the hardware comes anodized either blue or bronze, setting up the perfect amount of contrast against the black frame. No matter which version you choose, you'll be getting a solid everyday carry knife, and we're excited to see Fox pushing the envelope to give us something truly special. In fact, this was recognized in 2018 as the Blade Show Overall Knife of the Year, and we're excited to be bringing it to you now. To get your hands on a Fox Suru, click the link in the description below, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with all our knife-related content, and in the meantime, don't forget to head over to KnifeCenter.com for the best knives and tools on the web.